What's up everybody, this is TTFX. I'm coming to you today on the first video on my YouTube channel to show you and teach you what is Metatrader4 and how it works. It's exciting. So if you've traded before and you know what is trading, just share this video with your friends who don't know, and this video is not for you. More videos will come after this one of more advanced trading so that we can make money. This is 2020, is our year. So be sure to subscribe and leave a like and click the bell icon so that we get notification when we post new videos. So this is only for educational purposes, and trading is risky and you can lose a lot of money. So I'm here to help you to minimize that. So let's dive right back into the video. So first thing, when you open the MetaTrader, this is the icon that you'll be looking for, the Metatrader4 or the Metatrader5. They're basically the same thing. So I think on Android and iPhone, they're slightly different, but it's basically the same thing. So when you click on the icon of Metatrader4, this is what you're gonna get. Maybe the number of pairs here on the side, there will be a little bit less, but it's not a worry. I'm just gonna teach you how the MetaTrader works. So let's start from the top. So here, this is to add the number of icons. This is to edit the icons that are already been added. So if you want to delete an icon, you'll click here. If you want to add an icon, you'll click there. Okay, and this in the main screen, what you're gonna see is the pairs, meaning GBP USD, USD JPY, meaning here at the top is the pound is paired with USD. I'm not gonna dive too deep into that. And then mine, because it's on the advanced view, it shows the spread, it shows also the time, so, and also the low and the high. I'm not gonna dive too deep what they all mean and blah blah blah. I'm just gonna show you how the MetaTrader works so that you can know when you start trading what to look for. Going all the way down here, the first icon will show you exactly what you see here. The second icon will show you the graph. This is the graph. And the fourth icon will show you what is the balance that you have and the number of trades that you have. If you have a trade open, it will show down here. And the fourth icon will show you the history. It will show you the pairs that, like the deposit. If you deposit, it will show here. The trade that you already closed, the history, it will show here. And the fourth icon is the news. The fifth icon is this thing. I don't know what it means. I never use it. I never will. So back to the first icon. If you click on your pair, it will show you this thing, give you this for option. New order is exactly that. Open chart, it's exactly that. So open chart just means the second icon. The fourth icon, just the properties, so I never look at it. And then the simple view. Simple view. This is what the simple view looks like. It looks like this. It's a simple view, but I don't like it on a simple view. I like it on advanced. It doesn't matter. It does the same thing. I just think it looks cool. So moving right along, if you click on your pair and you say open chat, this is what you're gonna be looking at. Bear in mind, your pair, your chart won't look like, it will look like this, maybe different color, but it won't have these lines that I have here. Don't worry about that, it's for the next video. So here, what it means, starting from the top, here where I am now, it shows the pair that you chose, it shows the time frame. This M15 just means each and every candle here represents 15 minutes, meaning the new candle will form each and every 15 minutes. That's what it means, the 15 minutes. And then here, this icon here, it's a crosshair. You click on it, the chart won't move, but you'll get this. What does it mean and what does it do? Every time when you move on a candle, it locks on like an example, this is on this candle. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. I know there are people who are advanced and they don't know what this crosshair does. On this candle here, on this very big fat candle. So when you move it down slowly, you see it locks on the high of this candle. See, it's 135. It's 1.3022. When you move it down, it locks on the open. This is the open because this is the bullish, is the bearish candle. So this is the open. The open is at the top. You move it down, it will lock at the close. Okay, and you move it down a bit. You see, it doesn't. Okay, the close and the low, they are on the same level. That's why there's nothing else. That's why it's flat here at the bottom. Okay, So that's what this thing does. Now if you want to be precise, I see people who scalp, they use this a lot. I normally never use it, but this is what it does. Okay, that's the first icon at the top, the crosshair. The second icon, the F, it says here indicators. This is where you put your indicators. DC, moving averages, as an indicator. It's these lines that I've drawn that I said you should not worry about. It's for the next video when I teach Forex. And the fourth icon here, it just tells you can change the pair. In this case, we are on GBPUSD, and if you want to open the new pair, you can open the new pair there without going down here. Okay. And the fourth one, this one, the time, it changes this. Remember, we are on a M15 minutes time frame. If you want to change it, you can click there, and then you can change it here. Okay. And the final one, the fifth one, it's where you open and close. Where you open, when you want to take a trade, that's where you're going. That's where you go. It's a simple ways of going about this. There are a lot of ways, that you can go about coming to the screen here. I'm just showing you all the icons. What do they do? Okay. On the screen, what are you looking at? Well, first thing that you're looking at is the market execution here at the top. Okay, market execution, that means if you click sell here at the bottom or the buy here at the bottom, it will execute the market immediately. Okay, and then if you don't want that, then you click on the market execution, you get other 4 options below the market execution: the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Don't have to worry about that at the moment. I'll explain them on a separate video when I teach trading. So that's what I'm saying. Subscribe and leave a like under this video and share it with friends so that we can grow the channel. It's the least you can do for this free information that I'm giving you. And then here we have the lot sizes. On this side is to decrease them, and this side to increase them. Depending on the amount of risk that you want to take, you will change the slot size, and depending on how you have on your account, you'll trade accordingly so that you don't risk a lot of money and end up crying because you blown your account because you risked too much. So if you click here, I click on it, it keeps rising on the 0.0. It keeps rising with 0.01 every time. And I click on this side, it raises with 0.1 every time I click on it. Okay, so that's exactly what it means. That's all it means. To increase your lot sizes, if you want, you can click on it, and then you can type the lot size that you want to click, that you want to trade. Okay, so that's what it means. And then here on the side below this red line is your stop loss. This side, your take profit. Also, for a separate video when I teach trading and what is a stop loss, what is a trading. Also, you can just go to Google and then check what is a stop loss, what is a take profit. It will explain it for you. It's a free information. And then you sell or buy. Okay, so that's what it does. Also, you see that icon again that you see on the second screen is just to change the pair that you want to trade. And I think that will wrap up the whole thing, everything that you need to know about the MetaTrader. Because after you click on market execution, buy or sell, if you come here, your pairs will show here, your trade will show here, losing or winning, they will show here. Hopefully it will only be winning most of the time. And then here, after you close your profit, they will show here. So this is TTFX. This information was brought to you free. Don't let people rip you off by teaching you what is Metatrader4 and what it does and make you pay for it. This is free information, so come back again, leave a like, share this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.